Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create email template in Brevo. So all you have to do is head over to brevo.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on campaigns, then click on templates. From here, just click on create template. We can start here by giving a name to our template. We can just name this email template and add in a subject line. This will appear on your email subject. We can name this Hello World and also add in a preview text. This will give an overview on the content of your email. And of course, choose the email address to be shown to your recipient's inbox. And we're just going to choose that email and our name, of course, that example name. Then once done, you can proceed on the next step. And from here, we're just going to customize the design of our email. You can choose from example layouts. You can also choose from their template gallery, or you can also code on your own. So from here, we're just going to choose a template from the template gallery. Say, for example, we want to choose this template. Just click on this. So from here, you can customize the email template. You can add in or edit texts, add images, videos, button, logo, social accounts, HTML code, payment link, and a lot more. So once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can proceed by clicking on Save and Quit. And you can save and activate this template anytime you want. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.